Consider the graph of y equals f of x, where f of x is x plus 1, x minus 3. Explain why the function cannot have an inverse for its natural domain. Well, it's a many to one function, and it must be 1 to 1 to have an inverse. We want to suggest a restriction that could be placed on f of x for the inverse to exist. So we need to make it 1 to 1. Now there's lots of potential domains that you could take, but usually it's the largest possible that we take. So it's either going to be this way from 2 or this way from 2. Most people would choose this one. So x belongs to real. X is greater than or equal to 2. That's normal. Or you could choose real. X is less than or equal to 2. But I would suggest that you go for this one. Now we want an expression for the inverse. So in the usual way, y is going to be, expand this out, x squared minus 2x minus 3. So that gives us x squared minus 2x minus 3 plus y is equal to 0. Use the quadratic formula. So x is going to be negative 2, actually it's going to be the negative of negative 2, so it's going to be a positive 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so that's going to be 4. Take away 4 times 1 times negative 3 plus y, like so, all over 2a, which is just 2. So that's 2 plus or minus the square root of 4, add 4, 3 plus y, all over 2. So that's going to be 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 add 12, 16 add 4y, all over 2. So we could take a common factor of 4 out of these two and then slip that outside of the square root, and that would become a 2. So that's 2 plus or minus 2 root 4 plus y over 2, and then just cancel with the 2's and you get 1 plus or minus root 4 plus y. So your inverse function is going to be 1 plus root 4 plus x if the x is greater than or equal to 2 chosen. If you chose the other one, then you need to take the minus version of this.